I can introduce myself. So my name is Sandeep Kumar. I come from Jharkhand and I'm a teacher. So yeah, it's all about me. And I enjoy reading books and talking with people like you.
Yes. And my name is Sanshka. I'm 7 years old. I'm studying in third standard, and my hobbies are to reading stories. And I like to read a novel storybook. And yes, it's my channel on YouTube. And which is
Yeah,
your favorite fruit?
my favorite fruits, apple.
Yes.
What
Oh,
about yours?
my favorite fruit is mango.
Mango. Yeah, there is season of mango.
Yes. And you can see there is a farm.
Yeah, yeah, I can
I'm going
see.
to outside.
Oh, nice. You are walking.
Yeah. Yes. And which is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
And my favorite color is blue and pink.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Yeah. So just I want to ask you some questions. Even you speak very well. So you uh, are you speaking from your childhood?
Yes, speaking. When I was small, I'm speaking with my mother some little words, but now I'm speaking big sentences.
Yeah, that's perfect. You are doing great.
Yes. And which is your favorite bird?
Favorite bird. Favorite
Yes,
bird. Parrot.
parrot. Yes, I also like a parrot, and I also like a peacock.
Yeah, peacock is really nice bird. Yeah, it is also national bird.
Yes, it's a national bird also, and the peacock feathers have so many colors.
Yeah, yeah, really, it looks so amazing. Have you ever seen, when peacock is dancing?
Yes, the peacock dance when the rain comes.
Yeah, so have you ever seen?
No, I don't ever seen a peacock dancing, but I see a peacock.
Okay, yeah, I also never seen, but I seen on, TV, on videos.
I see on a reel.
Okay. Yeah,
Yes,
I see peacock in real, but I never seen while dancing.
yes, I also don't see while dancing.
Yeah, so just I want to one more question to practice English. You know, to practice English, what do you do?
First, I read every day, or sometime I speak with unknown person. I speak with my teacher in English. I speak with friends in English. Or sometime I practice my own. Or when I go to outside, I speak with shopkeepers. Yes, like this I practice, or I read so many storybooks. Like I have a Tinkle storybook and a novel storybook like this, and moral stories. I read like this. I see so many words that time. Then I read.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Whenever you read, you find a lot of new words, and to build, to be more fluent in English, need know more about English words and build a good vocabs.
Yes,
Yeah,
and
so you like
favorite.
reading books. So you
Yes,
like, yeah, you like reading books, novel books.
yes, I like reading books.
Yeah, I also like read books, but read only self-help books, non-fiction book.
Oh, and which is your favorite animal?
Favorite animal, dog,
Oh, dog. And wild animal. It's a pet animal, right? Wild animal.
a tiger.
Oh, tiger. I also like a tiger.
Yeah, it's a brave. It get you can get motivated to a tiger. You know how to they survive and they how catch, like when. So we have we can get motivation from tiger.
Yes, Tiger is a wild animal, so he eats a flesh.
Yeah, place.
Yes, and do you have any question for me?
Yeah, yeah. I have a lot of questions because I'm a teacher. Even in my YouTube channel, there's a lot of my students, they subscribe and they keep watching my videos. So they will learn a lot of things because they also want to learn English and they want to speak English. So you work like a motivation. They will inspire to you, and they can start. So yeah. So I want to ask you, you even you talk in, you make conversation in Yari. I think English Yari.
Yes, I make conversation in English, Shari.
Okay, nice. So have you ever talked with native speaker or foreigner people like UK, US?
Yes, I speak with a Spain man, with the man from the Spain.
Span. Okay, yeah. Well, I'm learning one more language, that is Spanish.
Spanish. Oh, can you speak?
No, no, I can't speak. Just a beginner. I was started. So because I want to learn, one of my friend, they have told me, if you want to learn one more language apart from English, you must learn a Spanish, because Spanish is the third one most spoken language all over the world.
Yes, but can you tell me on a word in English and in a Spanish? Only one word. You can tell.
What is?
Yes.
What is? No, no. Okay. One word.
Yes. Only one word.
uh Let me I can't say, because I was learning, but even in 1 week I have for I stop learning, stop learning. So whenever I stop, I forget. Spanish is a kind of new words, sorry, new language. So to learn a new language, it needs lot of time, practice.
Yes. Okay. And how do you learn this language?
English or Spanish?
No English.
English, yeah, for learning purpose. I have been speaking or learning since Jan 2024, last 3 months. So yeah, at the beginning, I used to talk with native speakers only. I have some friend, they are from UK, US, or they are native speakers. So that time I used to talk with only native speaker. But right
Yes.
now I'm talking with any random guys and making conversation. So just learning this language, I focus on listening and speaking. Sometime reading also, but mostly I focus on listening and speaking.
Yes. First you have to listen, write, read. Also,
Yeah, yeah. To learn a new language, maybe English, it take time. So it take time. So we have to focus on reading, writing, speaking, listening, watching, talking, practicing. Lot of things we have to do.
yes. For one language, we have to do too much. We have to read. We have to listen. We have to write. First, we have to
Yeah,
listen. When we listen the vocabulary, then we can get a words that. And when we get the words in our brain, we can speak from our mouth. Automatically,
yeah,
it comes from our mouth. Yes.
yeah, definitely. When we listen a lot of things, even I am used to listen news, podcast, audiobooks, and English news, sometime English songs. So even whenever I listen, I get fluent like that. I heard some new words, and the well pronunciation is really important. Even some if someone want to improve pronunciation, just they do listen. They listen a lot of audiobooks, even a native speaker, they can build their pronunciation well, because my pronunciation is not pretty well. So that's why I'm working on my pronunciation to improve my pronunciation. Mostly I am used to listen, focus on listening only.
Yes. Yes, we have to focus on listening, writing, reading. Also, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
And which is your favorite food? Which type of food do you like to eat?
Food. Actually, I don't like like any kind of like fast food mostly, but I like pizza and some fast food I like pizza and chow mein like that.
Oh, okay. And my favorite food is like I like to eat fruits or a puran puri. So
Oh,
uh, like pizza. I like to eat pizza.
yeah,
Uh,
pizza is really so delicious food.
yes, pizza is a junk food, but we
Yeah.
make at home homemade pizza.
Homemade pizza. So your mom makes pizza.
Yes, my mom makes pizza in home.
Oh, that's yeah. It is it will be better because whenever we order pizza from maybe restaurant, yeah, it is not good for our health.
Yes, and we are going outside today.
Yeah, that's really I can see you. You're outside really so amazing gardens. Even I think you live in a society. I think you live in a building or
Yes, I
how?
live in a society. Now, just I'm doing a conversation with you, and after the conversation, we are going outside.
Okay, so where you have to go?
I don't know where we have to go, but we are going outside.
Oh, nice. And I think summer vacation is going on, and you are in summer vacation.
Yes, now we have a summer vacations.
Yeah, that's perfect. In our school, in my school also there is a summer vacation.
Yes, and do you have holidays for your job?
For teacher, there is no summer vacation. Maybe there will be summer vacation for few days. For only a student take lot of advantage, or they enjoy summer vacation. For teacher, they get only few summer vacation for 1 month. Sorry, for 1 week, more than 1 week. I think 1 week.
Yes, and which type of job do you do?
Already I've told you I'm a teacher.
Yes, you're teacher. Oh, are you teaching in the school?
Yeah, I teach in a school.
Oh, which subject do you teach in your school?
I teach IT, computer science.
Computer science. Oh, do you know what we have to do in computer?
Yeah. So, do you like computer subject?
Yes, I like computer. In our school, there is computer our own. Also, and I also have. Can we bind up the session now? I want to go to outside.
Okay, bye. Have a
Bye.
nice day.
Meet you again, sir. Have a great day. Catch you
Yeah. I will
later.
be waiting. Yo, thank you. Bye.
Bye.